Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Cardano. Wanted to make a quick update here. Wanted to keep you updated on what's going on with Cardano and just in general what to expect from the price. So that's what we'll do. We'll do a full technical update here. I also wanted to talk about and look at the fundamentals for a moment. Because I do think those are getting more crucial as well as the market gets a little bit more bullish, which I'll tell you a little bit later why. But we'll just do a full update, all right? So at the end of the video, hopefully you're prepared for what's possible and what to expect. Now, to start off with the fundamentals, what I meant when I said that it's getting more and more important to get some solid fundamentals is that what you see when the market gets more bullish, right? So that's what we've seen over the last week, a little bit before that as well. Is that what you see is that the coins that actually perform well are coins that actually have solid fundamentals. So I'm not the biggest fan of Sui and Aptos and Sei, for example. But if you look at their fundamentals, they're quite solid, all right? And whether the numbers in the total value locked or the daily active addresses, etc., whether that's real or not, it still works for investors. And then what you see with Cardano, unfortunately, because I do like the Cardano community, but what you see is that the fundamentals, the statistics around this are just not great. Daily transactions are very, very low. Total value locked is also not doing anything and it's also relatively low. I believe it's almost getting out of that top 30 at the moment. There's not really any trading volume on it. So Cardano, even though they're developing nicely and they're putting out some great updates, they don't really have anything to show for it. And you do need that, all right? You do need some sort of momentum coming from this so that people can see it and think, hey, that's interesting. Cardano is doing something, I'm jumping in. And at this moment, there's nothing going on, and that's also reflected in the chart. Because there are signs of early bullish momentum, and that's also what we talked about earlier, right? So we have a very strong support level around 30 cents. We got a nice double bottom from there. We did a nice liquidity sweep, so that's great. And it also seems like we're kind of losing the downtrend here. But we have not yet. While a lot of altcoins are now breaking out of significant resistance levels to turn bullish, at least on like the 4-hour or the 12-hour timeframes, what you can see with Cardano is that it hasn't been able to do so. The most important level we're kind of at right now is this level around 37 and 36 cents. If we're able to break above that, which honestly I do think that will come eventually. So eventually I do expect Cardano to be able to break above 37 cents here and that we can get into the low 40s, so 41, 40, 42, maybe 43. This is what I expect. But I expect it mostly at this point of time because of what I expect from Bitcoin. And what I expect from Bitcoin is continued bullish momentum over the next couple of weeks at least, or at least the next 2 weeks. All right, let's keep it a little bit. Let's keep it a bit tight here. So therefore, I do expect this, but there's no real momentum coming in right now for Cardano. There's no real narrative around Cardano right now. So that's why it's also still consolidating lower while other altcoins are actually doing something. So short term, what I think about Cardano, outside of getting this move somewhere soon, I actually do still think it's most likely we'll stay in this consolidation for now. So that also means we can drop down into, well, 34 and a half cents, maybe 33 if Bitcoin pulls back very low. So that seems most likely to me right now, all right? That will stay here, and then once we actually do gain some momentum, once Bitcoin is pushing through with some volume, then I think we can break out here. Until that time, unfortunately, I don't expect much. I expect us to stay in this consolidation and wait for that catalyst. So that's what I think you need to know for now, all right? If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Of course, for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.